Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green water algae. To begin, you'll need a clear container, like a 2-liter bottle, and dechlorinated water. Make sure your container is thoroughly clean to prevent unwanted bacteria. You can start your culture with a small amount of existing green water, perhaps 1/4 cup, or by adding a tiny pinch of fish food as a nutrient source. This initial setup is crucial for a successful start. Light is paramount for algae growth. Aim for 12 to 16 hours of consistent, indirect sunlight or artificial light each day. Avoid direct, intense sun, which can overheat your culture. Next, introduce a nutrient source. A tiny amount of fish food, perhaps 1/8 teaspoon or a few drops of liquid fertilizer, can provide the necessary sustenance. Remember, too many nutrients can harm your culture, so start small. Regular maintenance ensures a thriving culture. Gently stir your green water once or twice daily to distribute nutrients and expose all algae to light. Observe the color. A deep, vibrant green signifies healthy, dense growth. When it reaches your desired density, typically after 3 to 5 days, you can harvest. Simply remove 1/4 to 1/2 of the volume, replacing it with fresh, dechlorinated water to continue the cycle. If your water remains clear, adjust your light exposure or add a tiny bit more nutrient. Contamination is a common issue, so always use clean equipment. For enhanced growth and to prevent stagnation, consider adding an air stone for gentle aeration. This provides oxygen and keeps the algae suspended. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to a consistent supply of nutrient-rich green water for your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.